Forget the predictions about 2030 or 2050. The conversation about robots replacing human workers isn't a debate about the future anymore. It's happening right now, in broad daylight, across industries you probably thought were completely safe. Right at this moment, a machine might be doing your job cheaper, faster, and without taking a single break. Let's look at 5 major jobs where humans are already being replaced. Construction. In the United States alone, the industry is facing a massive shortage of over 500,000 skilled workers. Projects are delayed, labor costs are skyrocketing, and companies simply can't find people to hire. So, instead of waiting, they're automating. Companies like Built Robotics are transforming standard heavy machinery into fully autonomous excavators. They dig trenches, clear land, and move tons of earth guided purely by GPS, LiDAR, and AI algorithms 24 hours a day, completely unmanned. And it's not just digging. Layout robots are walking through unfinished buildings, reading digital blueprints, and painting exact wall locations onto concrete floors with millimeter precision, a job that used to take teams of surveyors days to complete. And it doesn't stop with earth moving or floor layout. Bricklaying robots like Hadrian X can build the structural walls of an entire house in under 48 hours, working continuously through the night without stopping for weather or fatigue. What used to take a crew of 5 masons 2 weeks is now handled by a single operator monitoring a machine from a tablet. Some say it's saving a dying industry, others say it's closing the door on manual labor forever. Either way, nobody's arguing with the foreman anymore. Second, medicine. If you thought highly skilled professions were immune, think again. Surgical robotics has crossed from experimental technology into daily medical standard. Systems like Da Vinci or miniature autonomous surgical tools are executing procedures with a level of steadiness and micro-precision that no human hand, no matter how experienced, could ever physically replicate. We're talking about incisions measured in sub-millimeters, minimal blood loss, and recovery times cut in half. Right now, human surgeons are still overseeing the controls. But as machine learning models analyze millions of hours of surgical footage, these systems are taking on more autonomous tasks during procedures. The surgeon is still in the room, for now, but the physical hands holding the scalpel are increasingly synthetic. Be honest, if you were on the operating table, would you trust a human doctor who gets tired, or an AI robot that never trembles? Beyond the operating room, AI and robotics are quietly taking over diagnostics and pharmacy logistics. Fully automated hospital dispensaries now sort, package, and distribute thousands of daily medication doses with zero human error, drastically reducing lethal prescription mistakes. The medical field isn't replacing doctors overnight, but it is rapidly removing human hands from every critical stage of patient care. Third, aviation. Commercial airlines have used autopilot for decades, but human pilots were always essential for takeoff, landing, and emergencies. Not anymore. In April 2026, China's HH-200 autonomous cargo aircraft completed a full operational flight route. It took off, navigated complex airspace, and landed smoothly at its destination without a single pilot on board and without ground remote controls. It was operated entirely by an onboard autonomous flight computer. Logistics giant FedEx and defense contractors are investing billions into autonomous cargo fleets to solve the global pilot shortage. Cargo doesn't care about turbulence, it doesn't get jet-lagged, and it doesn't need a union break. It's only a matter of time before that technology moves from freight to passenger cabins. Fourth, shipping and maritime trade. Over 80% of world trade moves by sea, and the maritime industry is facing a crisis, an estimated shortage of nearly 90,000 ship officers this year alone. Enter crewless cargo ships. In Norway, the Yara Birkeland, the world's first fully electric, fully autonomous container vessel, is already navigating real commercial routes. It avoids obstacles using radar, infrared cameras, and AI, while automated dock cranes unload its cargo upon arrival. While critics worry about pirates or system hacks, shipping conglomerates see zero crew costs, lower emissions, and maximum fuel efficiency. The maritime industry isn't just taking the wheel away from sailors, it's building ships that don't need sailors in the first place. Before we talk about the most alarming industry of all, there's another massive sector quietly being overhauled: agriculture and farming. Farming used to be one of the most labor-intensive jobs on Earth. Today, autonomous tractors guided by satellite systems plow and seed fields with millimeter accuracy. Laser-powered weeding robots scan crops with computer vision, identifying and destroying millions of weeds per hour using precision lasers instead of chemical pesticides. From automated fruit-picking arms to robotic milking parlors, human farm labor is being phased out faster than almost any other sector. And finally, the most sobering shift of all, military and defense. This isn't an industrial warehouse or a controlled medical environment. This is the battlefield. Unmanned ground vehicles, quadrupedal robot dogs equipped with automated weapons, and fully autonomous swarm drones are no longer concepts in defense labs. They are deployed in active conflict zones right now. Military command centers are prioritizing robotic units for reconnaissance, perimeter defense, and high-risk assault operations. The goal is clear: send hardware into the danger zone instead of soldiers. But as weapon systems gain more AI autonomy, the boundary between human command and machine decision-making is disappearing fast. These autonomous military units aren't just operating on land. Unmanned surface vessels and autonomous submersibles are patrolling maritime borders, while AI-driven air defense networks make tactical engagement decisions in milliseconds, far faster than any human officer could process. 5 massive industries, millions of human roles, all actively being redefined by robotics and AI today, not tomorrow. Is your career on the path of automation? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of where technology is taking us, hit that subscribe button, because the replacement isn't a future scenario, it's already here.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, a like and a subscription would really help us out. And with that said, see you in the future.